play some games.
Possession one. And the referee playing advantage. Everyone wants to see officials let the play flow in that manner, but now the free kick has to be awarded. Well, this could really help the cause. Real chance! Another goal! The lead grows to 4 now. A rampant display.
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease, and it's just a change of pace. And then what a finish. That's been hit with such power and pace. The keeper has no time to react. It's a brilliant strike.
Well, you've got to say, an incredible first-half performance. That scoreline tells you a real opening now. Will he? And the keeper had plenty to think about with bodies around him. Just the tackle that was needed. Able to skip past his man. Oh, there it is! It's one goal after another, and it speaks to the quality of that performance.
Well, here it is again. He goes past his marker so easily with just a drop of the shoulder, and the movement is so good that they end up with a 2v1 against the goalkeeper, who was completely exposed. Great play, but poor defending.
Dude! I'm breaking the freaking sound barriers.
Oh, my goodness, it's so one-sided. 5-0 in this match. Opportunity it is. Well, they kept their shape defensively. Job done for now. In position. And it's a double for him in this game. No way for the opposition to contain him. And no wonder he's off celebrating.
Well, here it is again, and as you can see, it's a simple finish in the end. The keeper is so exposed, though. What can he do about that?
Well, it's an out-and-out pasting. 6-0. And the referee has added on 2 minutes of stoppage time. Well, he's won the ball. Chukwueze, he's in here. Oh, how about that for a tackle? So the whistle then, we're at the halfway stage. So the two teams have switched around and the second half is underway. And a fine tackle. Chukwueze. He'll be delighted to have won the ball, having made that difficult challenge. And they do like to press whenever they can. Chance to finish. The threat was there, but no problems now. Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. Well, didn't go to plan in the end. More live football to come. Little note about a future game with us here on EA TV.
Well, the fixtures are coming thick and fast. It should be a good game, that. Hopefully I've not just given it the commentator's curse.
Credit to them for winning back possession. Oh, fancy footwork. That is not going to do. Well wide of the target.
Alessandro Florenzi.
And he's in. Ball is loose. A very effective challenge put in. Oh, the threat is there. Shaping to shoot. It's still alive. But no, that's the end of the move because offside is the verdict. And time for the change now. The pressure was high and they could be in here. A goal! We're really being spoiled. This is attacking football at its finest.
Well, let's take another look. If you lose the ball in those areas, you're going to get punished. And that's exactly what happened there.
Well, we're into the final half hour. Oh, it was a crucial challenge. Well, it could be on for him here. Superb chance. A goal! That's two for him today. They simply can't stop him. No wonder he's celebrating.
Well, here's the replay, and they get this just right, don't they? The timing of the pass is absolutely brilliant.
Well, good run and good ball control. And a clear foul, but the referee letting the play flow. And saved by the keeper. Went in strongly, decisively. Oh, he's through here. Chance still on. And the referee has pointed to the spot. Penalty given. And they will make the change now. As coolly as you like, never in any doubt from the spot.
Well, here it is again. The keeper tries to read the penalty, but in the end he just makes no effort whatsoever. That's a strange decision.
Into the final 20 minutes. Wasteful from Club Brugge. Can he find the right pass? And he's got the beating of his opponent. Abraham! A goal! How about that? He's put it away
Well, here it is again. He goes past his marker so easily with just a drop of the shoulder, and he makes the finish look so easy. What a good goal that is.
Getting stuck in and winning the ball. And the flag has been raised here. Well, there can't have been a lot in that. And possession lost by Bruges. And he's made headway. Surely now. And in! Oh, yes! Exactly what they were hoping to produce. They've delivered the goal.
Well, let's take another look, and you have to say the defending is so poor. That's far too easy. The keeper had no chance there.
Not looking all that comfortable on the ball. Still trying to make something happen. Oh, he's blocked it! Well, there was impending danger, but good defending. Well, on the cusp of the final whistle, and the home side really prospering today. Stuart, interested to get your take.
Well, the result has never really been in doubt, has it? They've created so many chances with some brilliant attacking play. I think they've looked an outstanding team today.
Oh, wait a minute. They could well be in. And that's a very good parry. Firing it towards goal. Oh, the keeper made it look routine. It was anything but. Playing it short. And full marks for the precision there. Well, the keeper had plenty to think about with bodies around him. Counter-attacking, very much an option. Oh, just mistimed his run, and the flag going up. And with play stopped, they will make the change now. Fofana, teammates available. Really good challenge. Well, play stopped. It is a free kick. And following the infringement, a caution.
Yeah, no surprise there. That was always going to be a booking.
Message delivered from the referee to the fourth official. 3 minutes on the board. And a fine stop to turn the ball away. Rafael Leao. Far from a smooth challenge. Now, will the referee produce a card? Must be! And there goes the final whistle. And the home fans are going to be happy about this.